welcome back to sunny Florida and back to the channel, Waker Rides. Today I'm doing a quick video and I'm doing a giveaway. It is a RiderScan Ultimate Safety Mirror and it goes for $55 on Amazon, and I just checked their website, it's currently sold out. So this was a gift from one of my amazing subs, Harry. Harry also has a YouTube channel called Fun and Ryker, so go check him out. He does a nice little twist to some videos. So to enter this contest, all you need to do, two things. Be a subscriber. So this isn't for my looky-loos who like to watch and pass on. You have to be a subscriber to win this product. That's the main thing, okay? Secondly, just comment down below on this video that you'd like to win this RiderScan and you are in fact a subscriber. I do check, so please let me know. There is no charge to you. I am opening this contest to the world, so it doesn't matter where you live. In previous contests, I've limited to United States, people only within the continental US. So this time I am in fact opening up to everybody. So it doesn't matter where you live, Australia, New Zealand, anywhere in the world. If you win, I'll be happy to mail it out to you. So actually, because I feel so bad I haven't been able to send out to my international subscribers, have been off of the other contests. So if you are an international sub, tell me where you're from and I'll give you 2 entries. Because I feel bad that you typically don't get a chance to even enter my contest. So if you're from out of the country, 2 entries. Just let me know where in the world you're from and I'll be happy to do that. Also, if you bought a shirt, I will also put you in for 2 entries. So if you buy a shirt or have bought a shirt of this new Ryker Rides logo, I'll enter you for a second time. So just kind of a little bonus for you. I hope everyone's doing well and hopefully you're enjoying the weather wherever in the world you are. Thanks for watching, and the contest will be this weekend. I think it's going to be an impromptu live chat. I'm not exactly sure. My schedule is crazy, so I have a lot of things going on. So it's hard for me to kind of pinpoint exactly when I'll be home to do the contest, but it will be this weekend. So if you set your notification button, it'll alert you when I'm doing the contest. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your RiderScan and good luck to you. And I hope you win. Bye, everybody.